Hi everyone. Today I'm going to give my learners one question answer. Some learners ask me, sir, when will get all basic food? My dear learners, don't be passionless. Very soon you'll get all basic food. Approximately within this month, you'll get. At the time, you'll get part 13. 13 is a simple, complex, compound sentence. What I didn't discuss the previous classes. And it is very important for every learner. So I think this learners you will be the word expert in simple, complex, compound within 4 or 5 minutes. And don't be passionless. Be patient, and so you will get many things from here. Any kinds of problem of English, you'll get in my channels. Slowly, you'll get all. So my dear learners, let's go over today's main topics. Basic English Part 8. First, perfect continuous tense. This tense is not used so much. Almost 2% or 3% is used. So there's no need to discuss the all. Only active voice and passive voice we'll discuss today's. Active voice structure, subject had been B1 plus ing plus opposite. Example, I've been telling you something for now. Passive voice structure, subject had been being B3 plus Y plus opposite. Example, say you had been being told something by my partner. That's all. So it's all, guys.